Quick reading for March the 13th to March the 14th of Virgo. Your cards are the Ten of Swords, the Eight of Cups, and the Ace of Pentacles. Yes, probably nag-end na itong relationship with your person. That's what your person also thought. That's also what you probably assume. However, nung mag-isa na lang si person, parang sabi niya, I can't bear the loneliness. Plus the fact medyo inuusig siya ng kanyang konsensya to um, look back and probably apologize. Dito niya nararamdaman yung I still love you, no? I still love my Virgo. Parang gusto niya sanang bumalik for either apology, continuing the relationship, or it could also be na can we do this one last time? This can be our last straw. And if this won't work, then probably this is it. But this is not the now na gusto ko makipag-break, no? So, this is your quick reading for March the 13th to 14th of Virgo.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.